With over 4,000 channels available on Roku, deciding which ones are the best can be difficult. Today, I'll list the top 5 channels to install on your Roku device or any other device that has channels or apps similar to Roku. This is supposed to be a top 3 list, but I've apparently gone insane. Those listed are freely available from the Roku store and do not require a cable or satellite subscription to use. I'm also leaving out cable or satellite company replacements like Sling TV or PlayStation Vue to make room for more individual apps since there are only 5 to go through. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Our number 5 is FilmRise. The service delivers unlimited streaming of popular TV shows and movies. You won't find the newest of entertainment on here, but you're sure to find something decent to watch. There's no subscription to use FilmRise and it's completely free. Next up 4 is the Weather Network. This is the only weather channel in this video. The Weather Network provides live local forecasts for your area along with amazing videos showcasing extreme weather conditions from around the world. They also provide weather forecasts for your area for the next 14 days. The Weather Network is free. Up next is Sky News. This is my favorite news channel on Roku. I'm a Ghanaian, but I enjoy getting the British perspective on the news. They live stream 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also get caught up in their video section, which has various categories. There is no cost to watch Sky News on Roku. And at number 2 is iHeartRadio. This is the first of 3 music apps on this countdown. iHeartRadio is a free radio service featuring more than 15 live stations, and you can create custom stations that play songs based on the music artists you select. iHeartRadio also lets you create a custom section with all of your favorite radio stations so you can access them easily. Our first pick is the Roku channel. This is created by Roku, featuring hundreds of movies all for free, and with fewer commercials than you see on broadcast TV. The Roku channel is not available on all devices yet, but it's being rolled out over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you. Let me know in the comments if there's a channel or app you feel should have made this list too, and if you haven't done so already, tap on the subscribe button and bell notification icon for the latest in cord cutting and other tech related stuff from Mr. Lim.